Hi there, I'm Chris Bosch from Miami. What's this word? Hiat?
It's heat.
Oh.
Heat.
Hi there, I'm Chris Bosch from the Miami Heat. Today, I'm going to teach you about supercooling.
Wow, that's super cool!
Alright, so what you're going to need is a water bottle, a fridge, and about 2.5 hours. So now that you have the required materials, you're going to want to put the water bottle in the fridge, preferably the freezer because it's a lower temperature. Once the water bottle is in the freezer, you're going to have to wait 2.5 hours. In the meantime, you can watch some videos of wildlife. Alright, so now it's been about 2.5 hours, you're going to want to take the water bottle out of the freezer. Hopefully your water bottle isn't frozen. If it is, then you have to repeat the entire process. But if it isn't, then you're ready for the final step. The final step requires you to get the water bottle and hit it on the table. Your water bottle should look a little something like this. So when water is at room temperature, it turns into a liquid, and liquid molecules are freely moving past each other. When liquid freezes, it turns into a solid. The molecules of a solid are locked into place, allowing for little movement. When you supercool the water, you take it below the freezing point. However, the water doesn't freeze because it doesn't have a place to start. The reason why the water doesn't freeze is because it needs a nucleation event. An example of a nucleation event would be banging on the table. The reason why banging a water bottle on the table acts as a nucleation event is because when you hit the water bottle on the table, particles from the top of the cap fall down into the water bottle. This starts the process of supercooling. The reason why the ice continues to freeze down the water bottle is because when the first layer freezes, it creates a domino effect, which means that the top layer freezes, then the next, and then the next, until it's all completely frozen. In order for this to work, the water needs to be pure. Otherwise, the impurity of the water will act as spots where the ice crystal can form. If all goes correctly, when you hit the water bottle on the table, the molecules will line up and turn into a solid.